certain area before the other gate could get up to keep us in the proper queue. So as the next one's moving forward, here we go. We should be getting our turn right now. Gate up. There we go. Just as described. Pictogram disclaimer sign. Should be no question if someone has a thing. It's called the big board. Any vehicles over 5 years old, if the dealership doesn't warranty it, we can't either. As we pull onto the entryway here, we see our, once again, Fast Trac logo. Antennas down and removed. Maximum height 7'4". Again, there's our attendant slash manager, Carla, making sure everything's good. Got lots of smiles, giving good hand directions. Looking at our new entry arch here. Let's see. The car in front of us has got the shine and protect. So what are we going to get? Hopefully the ceramic, yes. From Fast Trac. Got a view of the light show. All right. Step is the pre-soak, high and low pH with the lava bath. That little spray that you saw is sent being injected into our cab, fresh smelling infusion. As you can see here, we have what we call the mirror bounce. The brushes bounce up over the cloth. We're going through the green apple polish triple foam. Mitter 1, front to back mitter, is now washing. Coming up on the second set of wrap brushes. Now we go into the Purple Rain waterfall. Process, the super low, followed up by a side-to-side mitter. Now this completes our wash stage, and now we go into the polishing mode. Right now our wheels have been hit 2 times. Now we're getting a second tire brush. This is the lava treatment 1 and 2, and then a top brush. After the top brush, we're going to have mirror rinses and rear rinses, so hopefully the high pressure spraying that. Another high pressure rinse. The ceramic rain repel, as you can see, is beading up. Our latest ceramic arch, and then step 3 of the ceramic and a final rinse. Well, you guys just look at the break. Now coming into the tire shine and the drying module. Hoping that tire shine light will light up. Oh, yeah, look at that multicolor. And then we go through the drying stage. You can see more Purple Rain lights. A final reminder to purchase your Club Plan membership as we watch our drying process enhance. But over here we're waiting for the light to tell us green means go. There 54 seconds to get us through the car wash, and we had, what did I say, 7 cars in front of us. And we'll go check out the final process over here. Still thinking there's a little bit more droplets on this side than that side, but pretty still kind of equally. I'm looking for 0. Here's the back side of our dump road, which includes a emissions center and detail shop. An old Kroger that's soon to be shut down, which we probably will be replaced by a dollar store or some Colombian social club of some sort. Here we go. We're washing a old Dodge Ram with 100,000 miles on it, on its second engine. Same paint job. And here we go. The final product. Wheels shiny. Tire shine looking pretty good. And then there's the thing. Now, as you can see the reflection, I should have took a picture beforehand. It definitely looks like I can see the rooftop there a lot clearer than I could before we washed it. And that's what we're looking at way up here. That's reflecting the cockpit photography. That's ceramics. That's Fast Trac magic going on here. So, and that concludes our video presentation. Fast Trac Car Wash. Stop by today.